In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a card to PayPal. If you've been wanting to top up your PayPal balance using a card, I'll walk you through the process clearly and I'll point out a few important limitations so you know exactly what to expect. First, log into your PayPal account. Make sure you're using a secure connection and that you recognize the device you're on just to keep everything safe. Once you're in, head to the top menu and open the wallet. This is where all your payment methods and your PayPal balance live. If your card isn't already connected, choose Link a Card. You can add a debit or credit card here. Enter the card details exactly as they appear with your card issuer, number, expiration date, security code, and billing address, then select Link Card to save it. PayPal may run a quick authorization to validate the card, which is normal and usually temporary. After your card is linked, go back to the wallet. Look for the Add Money option. This is typically available for debit cards and may not show up for most credit cards. Availability can also vary by region and account type, so don't worry if you don't see it. I'll explain what that means in a moment. If you do see Add Money, select your linked debit card as the funding source. Double check that it's the correct card, especially if you have more than one linked. Enter the amount you want to add to your PayPal balance. It's smart to confirm the currency and consider any potential fees or conversion rates if you're working across currencies. When everything looks good, click Add or Confirm to complete the transfer. At this point, your money should appear in your PayPal balance shortly after the transfer is completed. Processing is often quick, though exact timing can depend on your card issuer and PayPal systems. A few important notes to keep in mind. PayPal generally does not allow adding money to your balance directly from most credit cards, which is why the Add Money option might not appear when a credit card is selected. Debit cards are typically supported for adding funds, but again, availability can vary. If you don't see Add Money at all, you can still use your card through PayPal to pay online without adding funds to your balance. PayPal will simply charge your card at checkout, and that's it. You've learned how to transfer money from a card to your PayPal balance, what to do if the option isn't available, and a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure.